Hello and welcome to i.made, the channel that not only tells you that, well, I'm Matt, but that I made a thing. This week, I'm going to show you how I turned my love for Star Wars and my love for tasers into an awesome device. Let's do it. This is purely for educational purposes only. I do not in any way encourage you to replicate, recreate, or reincarnate this device. I take no responsibility if you independently decide to follow my actions. Tasers are very dangerous tools and should not be used without proper training. Do at own risk. Now the circuit for this isn't really a difficult one. It is simply a battery connected to a safety switch, which then splits to an LED strip and a push button, which connects to the Taser module. Now as you can see, I went through 3 different CAD models, which all had many printed tests until I found something I thought worked well and fit the components in, whilst also feeling accurate and comfortable in the hand. I also went through many design revisions, with the first design being all one piece, and my final third design being 3 individual pieces. The main body, the top light and electrode cap, and finally the bottom screw terminal, which housed the safety switch and the bottom charging ports. Alright, so now that this has been printed and it looks phenomenal with the bottom screw cap, I'm going to wire up the circuit. But first I need to glue the battery charger into the little slot. Then I'm going to wire up the battery to these 2 terminals. So it'll be something like that, and then in parallel to that, there will be the switch in series, goddamn gravity, then the switch in series to the input terminals of this, and then these are going to go to the front of the light taser. Now I didn't record any of the painting process for this, because it was ultimately just 2 layers of spray paint in the end. I will add, however, a layer of primer on 3D printed parts is definitely something you should do. I didn't do that, but I found that the spray paint was peeling off a lot. Because the paint was peeling every time I tried to mask off areas, I ended up just doing the 2 colors. One complete in silver, and then masking off the top very loosely so I won't peel off any of the paint, and then spraying the bottom half in black. Now as you can see, the assembly process is quite straightforward when you have a schematic in front of you and you know where each component is going to sit in your device. With some hot glue to secure the charging ports and the electrodes in their positions, the wiring was fairly straightforward given the separate pieces, so I could assemble it later. Alright, so it's finished. As you can see, I flicked the safety switch. The green light comes on, click the switch, turn it off and the light turns off. I give you the light taser. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Like, favorite, subscribe, do whatever. I'll see you in the next month's video.